Hello friends, my name is Ankur and welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we are going to start our English speaking part 146 and friends today we are going to discuss a new topic. So friends, today we are basically going to start about Vyakti or Ayu means person and age related sentences in our English language. So friends, let's start our English speaking part 146. Vyakti or Ayu means person and age. So friends, when we meet any stranger and we meet any our close friend, we normally try to ask about his good name and we basically ask him to give introduction. Of we normally ask him that how many children does he have. Basically, these kind of questions we ask any person when we meet him after first time or when we meet him after a very long time. So friends, let's see them with examples. आपका नाम. So in English it means your name please, what's your good name. So friends, basically it is a interrogative type question. So friends, basically in this sentence when we meet any person, either we are meeting him first time or we are meeting him after a very long time, we normally ask about his good name. So what we normally ask? We normally ask his name. So आपका नाम, your name please, what's your good name. So friends, basically it is a present interrogative type sentence, and when we meet any stranger or any person first time, so we normally try to ask his name and we normally say what's your good name and what's your name. What's your good name or your name please. So friends, this is basically a person and age related sentence. कृपया अपना परिचय दें. So in English it means please introduce yourself. So friends, basically if we are meeting any person, if he is our close friend or somebody is trying to introduce that person to us, so we normally try to ask him कृपया अपना परिचय दें means please introduce yourself. So friends, basically we normally ask him gently, please introduce yourself, कृपया अपना परिचय दें. So friends, this is also a person and age related sentence. आपकी उम्र क्या है? So in English it means what's your age or how old are you. So friends, this is also a present interrogative type sentence, because friends, when we normally meet any stranger or any person, so we try to normally ask about his age. We don't ask directly, we ask him in an indirect way or very polite or gentle way. So we normally ask him आपकी उम्र क्या है. So in English it means what's your age or how old are you. So friend, basically it is a present interrogative type sentence, because in this sentence we are normally trying to ask the age of that particular person whom we are meeting him फर्स्ट टाइम. मैंने अभी 20 वर्ष पूरे किए हैं. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स आई हैव जस्ट कंप्लीटेड 20. सो फ्रेंड्स, दिस सेंटेंस इज बेसिकली प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टाइप सेंटेंस. एंड फ्रेंड्स, when we are going to ask him about his age, so in reply what he will say to us, so he will normally say मैंने अभी 20 वर्ष पूरे किए हैं मीन्स आई हैव जस्ट कंप्लीटेड 20. So friends, basically it is a present perfect type sentence, because in this sentence the person is basically replying to our question about the age. So he is basically giving the answer to us that he has just completed 20 years of his age. And since this sentence is related to person and age, so it is a age related sentence. आप मुझसे बड़े या छोटे हैं. So in English it means you are older, younger than me. So friends, this sentence is basically a present interrogative type sentence, because in this sentence the person is basically asking to that person in an interrogative type way. So basically is trying to ask him कि आप मुझसे या तो बड़े हैं या छोटे हैं. So in English it means you are older or younger than me. So friends, it happens normally with us friends when we see any person when he looks similar to us in looks, height, etc. and maybe he might be younger to us or might be older to us. So we normally ask, we don't ask him directly, we normally ask him in an indirect way. So we normally ask him आप मुझसे बड़े हैं या छोटे हैं. So in English it means you are older or younger than me. So friends, basically it is a present interrogative type sentence, because in this sentence we are normally trying to ask that person whether he is younger than us or whether he is older than us. And since this sentence is related to person and his age, so it is a age related sentence. मैं अविवाहित हूँ. So in English it means I am a bachelor. So friends, basically it is a present type sentence. And friends, if we ask any person and we normally ask him that are you married or not? So if he is married, then he will normally say that I am married. If he is not married, he will say I am still unmarried, I am a bachelor. So similarly in this sentence, मैं अविवाहित हूँ means I am a bachelor. So it is a present type sentence, and since in this sentence the person is basically replying to the question about his marriage to us, so basically saying मैं अविवाहित हूँ means I am a bachelor. So it is a present type sentence, friends, and since in this sentence the person is basically trying to tell us about his marital status, and since this sentence is related to his personal life, means person and age and marital status etc., so it is a person and age related sentence. वह विवाहिता है, so in English it means she is married. So friend, this sentence is also a present type sentence, because in this sentence we have normally asked a person to a particular person, from that particular person, that whether she is married or not, and that person has given a reply to us, so he is basically saying us वह विवाहिता है means she is married. So it is a female type question. Since in this sentence the person is basically mentioning about the marital status of a female person, so he is basically giving us the reply that वह विवाहिता है means she is married. So it is a present type sentence, friends, and since in this sentence the person is basically telling about the marital status of a particular female person, and since this sentence is related to person and age, so it is a person and age related sentence. उनके बाल सफ़ेद हैं, so in English it means he has grey hair. So friend, basically this sentence is a present perfect type sentence, because in this sentence the person is basically mentioning about the looks of a particular male person. So basically he is trying to mention about the hair color of that person to us. So basically he is trying to say उनके बाल सफ़ेद हैं means he has grey hair. So friends, since in this sentence the person basically mentioning about the color of the hair of a particular male person, that he has grey hair or black or white hair something, and since in this sentence they are basically mentioning about the looks or physique of a particular male person, and since in this sentence they are mentioning about the person's physical appearance, age or color of his hair etc., so it is a person and age related sentence. वह बच्चा है, so in English it means he is just a kid. So friends, this sentence basically is a present type sentence, because in this sentence the person is basically telling to us कि वह तो अभी just बच्चा है means he is just a kid. So वह बच्चा है means he is just a kid, and since this sentence is a present type sentence, friends, and since in this sentence the person is basically telling about a particular kid that he is good, he has good looks or good bad looks, or he is very intelligent or honest, means he is just a kid, a normal kid, यानी एक छोटा बच्चा normal that we normally see around us in our family etc. So friends, वह बच्चा है means he is just a kid, and since it is a present type sentence, friends, and since this sentence is related to person and age, so it is a age related sentence. वह अधिक उम्र के लगते हैं, so in English it means he looks aged. So friend, this sentence is also present perfect type sentence, because in this sentence the person is basically assuming about the age of a particular person, that he has never seen that person before, or he is just assuming about his age, whether he is younger to him or whether he is older to him. So what he is assuming, वह अधिक उम्र के लगते हैं means he looks aged. So friend, this sentence is a present type sentence, and it happens with us also, friends. When we see any person or someone introduces us to that indicates to about any person, so we normally just an image comes to our mind that he might be younger to us, he looks like very old person, he looks around this plus age, or this he is younger to us or something etc. We normally imagine it in our mind. Similarly in this sentence, वह अधिक उम्र के लगते हैं means he looks aged, and since it is a present type sentence, friends, and since in this sentence the person is basically assuming about the age and age of a particular person, so it is a person and age related sentence. हाँ, yes it is means if this assumption is correct, so we normally say हाँ, yes it is. So friends, in this sentence whatever we were imaginating about that particular person, about his age, and if that assumption comes correct or right, so we normally say हाँ, Ha means yes it is. And since this sentence is related about the agreement of that particular person's age, so it is a age related sentence. मेरा भाई 16 वर्ष का है. So in English it means my brother is 16 years old. So friend, this sentence is also a present type sentence because in this sentence the person is basically mentioning about the age of his brother. So basically he is trying to say मेरा भाई 16 वर्ष का है means my brother is 16 years old. So friends, this happens with us also friends. In our family we have younger brothers and older brothers and sisters, and someone asks about our younger brothers or older brothers and sisters. So we normally say that my brother is 16 years old or my sister is 17 years old, etc. Similarly in this sentence, मेरा भाई 16 वर्ष का है. So in English it means my brother is 16 years old, and this sentence is a present type sentence friends. And since this sentence is basically mentioning about the age of a brother or sister of a particular person, so it is a person and age related sentence. So friends, this was the English speaking part 146, in which I tried to explain you about Vyakti or Ayu means person and age related sentences in our English language with examples. So friends, I hope you would have find it easier to understand about person and age related sentences with examples. And friends, these kind of sentences we normally speak when someone tries us to introduce us with a particular person. We normally ask about his good name, his age, address, whether he is about his marital status, or how many brothers or sisters does he have. So friends, these kind of sentences we normally speak in our day-to-day life. So friends, kindly like, share, subscribe my channel, and please do press the bell icon in the subscription box, and I will also share my Instagram and Facebook link in the description box below. So friends, I would like to request you that please keep practicing these sentences daily, and with the passage of time you will realize that your confidence is boosted up, your personality is groomed, and ultimately you have become a perfect and fluent English speaker in front of bigger society or in front of bigger perspective. So friends, please try to practice these sentences with your parents, friends, neighbors, relatives, etc. and daily. What will happen friends, at particular instant of time you will realize that your confidence is really boost up, and you will find it very easy to communicate with another person. So friends, at last I would like to request you again that please keep practicing these sentences daily, and do like, share, subscribe my channel, and please keep supporting me so that I may bring you more interesting English speaking topic which could prove to be an asset for you and which could help you in brushing up your fluent English communication in front of another person. So friends, thanks for your valuable and precious time. Have a nice day.